In this video, I'm going to show you how you can repurpose an exterior light and make it into a really cool DIY project, shelf light. Alright, we are going to make a shelf light with trinklets in it out of one of these old exterior lights I got off my house when I replaced them. Another example right here. Something cool and rustic you can make. It's really easy. All you need to order is one of these trinket light sets off Amazon. It's like $10 for 2 of them. Really easy. Take the lid off. Going to fish this maze of copper LED lights into the lamp. Alright. Obviously we don't want the cord to show, so we're going to have to figure out how to tape this to underneath of the lid. Nice and neat. Double stick tape. See if we can get the backing off. If I can't get the backing off, you'll know, because I'll edit this part out. Now, they have an on and off switch. We're going to have to access it from underneath the light, so we're going to have it poking through the bottom. Something like that. Just rest these down here. Let's take 3 AAA batteries. simply just turn this back on. Looks like my battery pack's in the way. So move it out of the way a little bit more. Should be good. Let's see. Cool. Secure your lid back on, and you're pretty much done. Quick, easy project. Go for a game room or movie room. Scrunch it up. Boom. There you go. Thanks for watching.